This 2017 Coachmen Catalina 283 DDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used coachman is 31 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10, carbon monoxide detector, microwave, oven, auxiliary battery, refrigerator, external shower, DVD player, spare tire kit, TV, leveling jacks, and 46 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Coachmen Catalina 283 DDS is 6,316 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.